Hey there! Have you heard about the recent controversy surrounding Tesla's self-driving software? The Dawn Project, a road safety organization, has released Boycott Tesla Now commercials, urging the public to avoid Tesla's electric cars due to what they claim is dangerous technology. The foundation, led by tech billionaire Dan O'Dowd, has highlighted the risks associated with Tesla's full self-driving FSD technology, citing several accidents as evidence. The commercials showcase footage of Tesla vehicles involved in accidents, including striking a schoolchild and speeding past a school bus. The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, has been urged to outlaw Tesla's fully autonomous driving technology, and Dan O'Dowd has called for a boycott, stating, "This has resulted in multiple fatal collisions which could and should have been avoided." Stay tuned as the debate over Tesla's self-driving software continues to unfold.